Hi, I'm Valerie Rose. I'm a model, actress, filmmaker, and the founder of Pictures Up Academy. Pictures Up is an online acting and modeling class that you can take from the comfort of your own home. I've had an incredible career in the business. I've done things I never dreamed I would ever do. I honestly didn't set out to be a model or an actress, but the universe had different plans as I went from having no background, no contacts, no experience to a whole different career, one that I did not expect and honestly didn't even think was possible. I've been in film, commercials, and national TV. I've worked with phenomenal directors and won acting awards and been on set with A-list celebrities. How did I do all of that? Keep listening, because all of that is possible for you and more. But don't misunderstand. We're not here just to help you start a career in the entertainment business, but we're here to help you advance your existing career and take it to the next level. You'll hear advice from our industry insiders about things you need to know, like what directors are looking for in an audition and what it takes to succeed in the business. You'll hear from people like Cristobal Cruzan, whose last film, Sabina K., was a Bosnian finalist for the Academy Awards, and Maya Washington, who was tapped by the History Channel to direct several shows under their umbrella. Alexander Gooderman, the director of In Winter and The Hunter, and David Buchanan, who wrote, directed, and produced Black in Minneapolis, which is now streaming on Amazon. You'll also hear from casting director Lynn Steele and the owner of Wayman Models and Talent, Susan Wayman. Extras casting director Lee Henry Jordan. Fitness guru and Miss Bikini Fitness Lori Lean. And certified makeup artist extraordinaire Ellie Stallman. And that's not all. We're here to talk to you about your dreams and how to make them come true. In this short excerpt from my film, The Case of the Red Carpet Mystery, we hear direct from talk show host, psychologist, and popular motivational speaker Dr. Ramel Kwaku Smith, or as we know him at Pictures Up Academy, the Dream Healer. Take a listen.
But sometimes internally, there's a self-sabotage that we tell ourselves, I'm not worthy of this. And this can sometimes be planted by the seeds of those people who supposedly loved us, sometimes planted by the seeds of those haters. But we gave them life. We helped them germinate even more. And we started to believe in them. And we started to not only believe in them, but we started to nurture them. So when you say, well, you told me why people don't achieve their dreams, sometimes it's because of haters and enemies. Sometimes it's because of family and friends who try to hurt for sometimes good reasons, sometimes selfish reasons, but then sometimes it's within. So the real question is, how do we flip the script? How do we get people who've never believed in their dreams or never believed or wanted to or could have the audacity, the ability, the gall, the grit to be able to attempt those dreams? I say, well, usually one of three things happens to make people go from not believing and attempting those dreams to attempting them.
Not expecting to see something like this in an acting course? That's why we're different. And in this business, being different is what gets you noticed. Keep listening.
There's a quote that I love. It says, a dream is in the mind of the believer. It's in the hands of the doer. You're never given the ability to dream a dream unless you're given the power to achieve that dream. So whatever your mind has dreamed in the dark corners of that closet that nobody else can go into, that means it's in you to do. The only thing it is for you to have the confidence and the belief and to put in the dedication and the discipline, and you'll find yourself doing things not only that you dream, but beyond your dreams. We want to be not dream killers, but dream healers, dream builders. You can do whatever you want to do. Believe in your dream. Understand the things that keep us from our dream. Flip that script. Don't be afraid. to attempt. Don't be afraid to fail, because even in those failures, there's different levels of success that can change the trajectory of our life and put us on a different path to really find us to where we need to be. Because maybe it wasn't our original dreams that we wanted, but it's something else that came from that dream that springboarded us to the next level. So even when there seems to be a seemingly failure, it puts us on the right course. Believe in your dreams, but most importantly, beloved, attempt those dreams.
Like I said, being different makes you stand out. Pictures Up Academy is not like other acting courses. It steps beyond convention. Not only can you take it from the comfort of your own home, but it is a fraction of the cost of other courses you may have seen or taken. And it's a great way to get creds on your resume. And in addition to everything I've just said, we give you the real deal on important topics like SAG and FICOR and how to get booked and busy, compensation, the agent's perspective, professional behavior on set, auditioning, and how to prepare for the role after you get the gig. Pictures Up is non-linear, so you can go directly to the content that you want to hear. Finally, we give you advice about things like protecting your brand and social media. Be careful about putting inappropriate photos or commentary on social media, because once you do, it's out there. Think about it. Why would a multi-billion-dollar company or an important director want to associate themselves or their precious brand with someone who didn't respect or value their own brand? Especially when so many other models and actors are waiting in the wings to take their spot. One last thing before we go. Be nice to people, because you never know what they might do in this life. Tyler Perry said he kept every single rejection that he ever got. Enough said. There's a link in the description. I hope you'll check out our channel. We've put out a lot of free content out there for you. And if you like it and you're amenable, please subscribe. Pictures Up Academy, stepping beyond convention. As always, peace and joy until you reach the light.